Hello, welcome to 95 Scooter Guy. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my experience buying and using an injector cleaner for my 50cc Honda Dio scooter. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll be sharing if buying an injector cleaner is any good and if you should buy it. So, what is an injector cleaner? To the best of my knowledge, it's a chemical that removes combustion deposits and helps your engine run smoothly. So after a couple of months of daily use of my scooter, I decided to buy one to service my scooter since I didn't want to take it to a mechanic. I picked up the Mobile Positive Power Injector Cleaner for about 2,500 naira, which was 40% more expensive than the other brands available. Added about half of the bottle to my tank and let the engine run for about 2 minutes before my daily use that day. To be sincere, the difference I noticed wasn't really night and day, but subtle, and the best way I can describe how the scooter ran is like a well-lubricated bike. It reminded me of how my previous carburetor scooter ran after I take it in for servicing. The engine ran quiet and smoothly. I was impressed. Yeah, I was. The next thing was my fuel consumption. I noticed throughout the week that my fuel consumption was way better than the previous week, and that was really good. So, is buying an injector cleaner any good? I would say yes, and you should use it from time to time depending on your usage. I would advise anything from 3 to 6 months. You should always try and use it. Anyways, it's been 1 week after using the injector cleaner and my scooter still runs fine. I intend to use the other half in 3 months. So till my next video, do stay safe, and for a video on how to fix a smoking scooter, click here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.